Hey guys, Lustre here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So this time I have a brand new projector from a company called Toumei. Now this is the K9 model. It supports 3D. It has resolution of 960 by 540. It has built-in Android 6.0 operating system, Bluetooth, dual band Wi-Fi, Airplay, Miracast, and all in a small portable design. So let's find out if this projector is worth the $400 price tag. Let's do this. Hey guys, Lustre here. Just a quick note before you start the video. I wanted to let you guys know that I teamed up with Lustre to give you other buying alternatives. So whether you're buying a TV or a monitor or a soundbar or any product that I review here in the channel, Lustre will give you other alternatives that better fit your budget from top reviewers at no extra cost. You can also install their extension if you want the recommendations or product analysis right where you shop, like on Amazon or Google. So definitely guys, check out the links that I will leave in the description of this video or also in the comment section. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so let's find out what's inside the box. First of all, I like the presentation. I think it looks very nice. And here is the projector. This is of course the projector. Here we have some ventilations. On top is menu access, power button, and all the navigation buttons. Over here we have more ventilations, probably the speakers too. Here we have the power port, USB, HDMI, another USB, and 3.5mm for audio. And at the bottom we have one cord, so that's just in case if you want to mount this to a tripod, which of course is already included in here. Let's bring that tripod. Very simple, very useful. Then over here we have the power supply. This is for the US version power supply. Nice. And then we have the remote controller. Very simple, straight to the point. It feels nice. You're gonna need some AAA batteries, and that's about it. Oh. Nice. And of course here we have the instructions. Oh, warranty card actually. And that's it. Alright, so I am projecting this on the Spectrum series screen by Elite Screens, which is a cine-wide design. Now this projector has 300 ANSI lumens capacity, so if you want a bright image, I highly suggest to get a cine-wide screen. Now the projector has good picture, but at 540p of resolution, don't expect full HD details. Now this is good enough to enjoy YouTube videos, movies, streaming content. Now that I mentioned streaming content, the projector has built-in Android operating system and Aptoid to download apps like Netflix, YouTube, Kodi. Now I'm not familiar with Kodi, but I know a lot of you guys, so this is good to have that option. It also has Airplay to mirror your phone or your iPhone, but I did notice that it's in Chinese and I don't have an iPhone, but there's also Miracast, so if you have an Android phone, you do need to download an app if you want to cast your phone on the projector screen. Now I was also intrigued by the 3D support, and surprisingly it does work great. There's a short 3D video built in the projector memory for test, and it was fun to watch. You can also adjust the 3D depth effect for a better experience. Now the projector offers many settings: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness adjustment, keystone, zoom. It also has focus adjustment, sound effect. You can also update the projector when connected to Wi-Fi, change language, wallpaper, adjust time zone. You have so many options and it's easy to access. Now I'm a gamer, so of course I'm going to test gaming. So I connected my Xbox One X to see how gaming feels, and it does feel very responsive, no noticeable input lag, but the projector is not bright enough to see details in dark areas of the game. So for casual offline gaming, this is perfect. Now the built-in operating system works great with Netflix as well. I know this is an older version, but it works. YouTube also works flawlessly, so for me this is great because those are the apps that I mostly use. Now the built-in speakers are loud enough to enjoy movies or videos, but you can also connect a Bluetooth speaker for better sound or use a 3.5mm port for headphones. So is this projector good for you? Well, if you're looking to have a big screen from 80 inches up to 120 inch size with 3D support and that is portable for only $400, then yes, this projector does everything it promises. I only wish it had a higher native resolution like at least 720 or 1080p and also a brighter lamp. You can clearly see the image degrades with some ambient light on, so I highly recommend to use it in a dark environment. Alright guys, so if you're interested in buying this projector, I will leave links to the seller in the description of the video. It sells for $400, but there's also more options to choose from, so definitely go and check them out. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Lustre, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Lustre out.